Bert and Kip. Episode 32. Kip's Party. Bird needed a plan to save her party. She flew back to the pond. Meanwhile, Kip mixed cupcake batter. He poured it into a pan. He put the pan in the oven.
Okay,
Said Kip.
now I need party games.
Kip looked all over. But he couldn't find any party games, said Kip.
I also need decorations.
Kip looked all over. But he couldn't find any decorations. Just then, he smelled something. It smelled like
Bird cupcakes! Oh, well.
said Kip.
My party will still be fun. At least my friends will be there.
Kip went to the giant rock. But nobody was there,
Oh, no.
cried Kip.
I forgot to invite everyone. My party has no cupcakes.
Said Kip.
It has no party games. It has no decorations. And it has no friends.
Bird and Kip. Episode 33. Surprise, Kip! Kip was sad. He wanted to have a great birthday party. But he didn't have cupcakes. He didn't have party games. He didn't have decorations. And he forgot to invite everyone,
This is terrible.
said Kip.
I think I'll just go home.
Kip started to walk home when suddenly, all of Kip's friends jumped out.
Surprise!
They all yelled,
Happy birthday, Kip!
said Bird.
We're here for your party. There is no party.
Said Kip.
I messed up everything. No problem.
Said Bird.
We brought cupcakes, games, and decorations. You brought a whole party.
Said Kip. Everyone played party games. Then they sang happy birthday to Kip. Kip blew out the candles.
What did you wish for?
asked Bird.
Nothing.
Said Kip.
I already have everything I need right here.
Bird and Kip. Episode 34. Bird's Stamp Collection. Bird was in her nest. She was looking at something.
What are you doing, Bird?
Asked Kip.
I'm looking at my stamp collection.
Said Bird.
I didn't know you liked stamps.
Said Kip.
Yes, I like stamps a lot.
Said Bird.
Some of these are pretty dusty.
Said Bird.
I haven't looked at them in a while. They have nice colors.
Said Kip.
And they have neat pictures. Cool! An airplane!
Said Kip.
Here's one with the moon.
Said Bird.
I like these turtles.
Said Kip.
Hey, look! I see a chipmunk. This stamp is my favorite.
Said Bird.
It has a bird. Doesn't it look just like me? Yes, Bird.
Said Kip.
That bird does look like... Achoo!
Bird and Kip. Episode 35. Stamps Everywhere. Bird's stamps flew everywhere. Some landed in the branches. Some landed on the grass. One stamp landed somewhere else.
I am so sorry, Bird.
Said Kip.
It's okay.
Said Bird.
I can find the stamps. No.
Said Kip.
We can find the stamps.
The two friends looked for Bird's stamps. Bird looked high. And Kip looked low. Bird found some up in the branches. Kip found some down in the grass. Soon they had a bunch of stamps. They brought them back to Bird's nest. Bird put the stamps back in the box. Kip looked around one more time.
I don't see any more stamps,
Kip said.
I think we found all of them. No,
said Bird.
one stamp is missing. And it's my favorite one, the bird stamp.
Bird and Kip, episode 36. Kip's Note.
My bird stamp is lost forever!
Cried Bird. Kip felt terrible.
I think I'll send a note to Bird.
He thought. Kip went up to his hole. He found a pencil and some paper.
Dear Bird,
He wrote.
I'm sorry your bird stamp is lost forever. Your friend, Kip.
Kip put the note into an envelope.
Now I just need a stamp.
He said.
This one looks good.
Kip put the stamp on the envelope. He put the envelope in the mailbox. The next day, Bird got the note. She cheered when she read it.
Yay!
Cried Bird.
Thank you, Kip. You got my note?
Asked Kip.
Yes,
Said Bird.
and I got my bird stamp back. Where was it?
Asked Kip. Bird laughed.
You put it on the envelope, silly.
Bird and Kip, episode 37. Bird's Secret. It was an early fall morning. The air was chilly. Kip rubbed his paws to keep warm. Kip looked down. Bird was doing something in her nest. Kip didn't see what it was. He could only see something green and yellow.
Hey, Bird!
Said Kip.
What are you doing? Nothing,
said Bird. Kip climbed down to Bird's branch.
Can I see?
Asked Kip.
No.
Said Bird. Bird turned her back to Kip.
Come on.
Said Kip.
Tell me what you're doing. No.
Said Bird.
Please.
Said Kip.
No.
Said Bird.
I'm not telling you.
Kip tried to peek around Bird. Bird moved to the side. Kip tried to peek over Bird. Bird raised her shoulders.
Why won't you tell me?
Asked Kip. Bird got angry.
Because it's a secret, Kip.
Cried Bird. Bird and Kip, Episode 38, A New Friend. Kip climbed down the tree.
Bird is my best friend,
Said Kip.
but she is keeping secrets from me.
A cold wind blew. Kip shivered.
I'm angry at Bird.
He said.
I'm going to find a new friend.
Squirrel was waiting to cross the bike path.
Squirrel and I both gather acorns.
Said Kip.
I'll be friends with Squirrel. Hi, Squirrel.
Said Kip.
Do you want to gather acorns together?
No thanks,
Said Squirrel.
I have enough acorns.
Frog was jumping to the pond.
I like to jump too.
Said Kip.
I'll be friends with Frog. Hi, Frog.
Said Kip.
Do you want to jump around with me?
Maybe in the spring.
Said Frog.
I'm going to sleep for the winter.
This is terrible.
Cried Kip.
Bird is keeping secrets from me. And I can't find a new friend.
Bird and Kip, Episode 39, Bird's Surprise. Kip walked to the beach. It was cold and windy.
I'll find a new friend here.
He said. Kip saw 2 seagulls.
They're friends with each other,
said Kip.
They don't want to be friends with me.
Kip saw 2 crabs. They pinched Kip's toe.
Ouch!
Cried Kip.
I don't want to be friends with them.
Kip sat down.
I miss Bird.
He said.
I wish we were still friends.
Just then, Bird landed next to Kip.
We're still friends.
She said.
But you were keeping secrets.
Said Kip.
Friends shouldn't do that. I'm sorry,
Said Bird.
I just didn't want you to see this.
Bird held up a green and yellow scarf.
I was making it for you.
Said Bird. Kip put on the scarf.
Thanks for the scarf, Bird.
Said Kip.
And thanks for being my friend.
Bird and Kip. Episode 40. Wide Awake Kip. It was late at night. Kip was wide awake. Kip looked at his books.
I have so many books,
Said Kip.
I'll stay up and read all night.
Kip made some popcorn. He took a book off the shelf. He sat down in his cozy chair.
I have everything I need.
Said Kip.
I have a good book and some popcorn. I just wish Bird was here.
Kip peeked out his hole. He looked down at Bird.
She's sleeping.
Said Kip.
I shouldn't wake her up.
Kip went back to his cozy chair. He ate some popcorn. He opened his book. Kip started to read. It was a very scary book. It was about a spooky ghost.
Ah!
Cried Kip. Popcorn went everywhere. And Bird woke up.